Welcome to RS Group of School Barrado Kanpur. I am Jiten Kumar. Today I am discuss about the topic parallelogram. Student, parallelograms. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Here ABCD is a figure. AB is parallel to the DC and AD is parallel to the BC. In figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB parallel CD and AD is parallel to the BC. Now we discuss the rhombus. A parallelogram having all sides equal is called a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. In figure ABCD is a rhombus in which AB is parallel to the DC and AD is parallel to the BC and AB equal to BC and BC equal to CD and CD equal to DU. We know all the sides of a rhombus are equal. Now we discuss about the rectangle. A parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle is called a rectangle. In figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to the DC and AD is parallel to the BC. And angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. So ABCD is a rectangle. Now we are discuss about the square. A parallelogram in which all sides are equal and each angle measure is a 90 degree is called a square. ABCD is a square. AB is parallel to the DC and AD is parallel to the BC and AB is equal to BC or BC is equal to CD, CD equal to DE. And angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D is equal to right angle means 90 degrees. So ABCD is a square. Now we discuss about the trapezium. A quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. In figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is a parallel to the DC, so ABCD is a trapezium and non-parallel sides AD and BC. Now we discuss about the isosceles trapezium. A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal in called isosceles. AB parallel to the DC and AD is equal to BC. Now we discuss about the kite. A quadrilateral is called a kite if it has two pairs of equal adjacent sides but unequal opposite sides. AB equal to AD and BC equal to DC. In figure ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB equal to AD and BC equal to CD and AD does not equal to BC and AB does not equal to DC, so ABCD is a kite. Now we are discuss about the properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonal bisect to each other. These are the properties of a parallelogram. Now we are discuss about the important facts. If the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Second, if the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. Third, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. First, diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. Second, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Fourth, a quadrilateral which has two pairs of equal adjacent sides. Now we are discuss about the problems. Prove that any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. A solution: let ABCD be a parallelogram, so AD is a parallel to the BC and AB is a transversal. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Similarly, angle B plus angle C 180, angle C plus angle D 180 degree, and angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Hence, any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Second problems, prove that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Proof: let ABCD be a rhombus whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. Every rhombus is a parallelogram, so the diagonals of a rhombus bisect to each other. So OA is equal to OC, OA equal to OC, and OB equal to OD. From triangle COB and COD, CB is equal to CD. Sides of a rhombus, OC is equal to OC common and OB equal to OD. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. So triangle COD congruent triangle COB. By side congruency. Angle COB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair, angle COB plus angle COD, two right angle, each right angle is 90 degree. COB plus angle COB, two right angle, COB ऐड करेंगे तो टू एंगल COB इज इक्वल टू राइट एंगल, मल्टीप्लाई में डिवाइड में जाएगा, उससे टू डिवाइड होगा, एंगल COB इज इक्वल टू वन राइट एंगल, angle COB is equal to angle COD is equal to one right angle. Hence the diagonals of a rhombus bisect to each other at right angle. Thank you.